Paging Michael Daniels. Paging Michael Daniels.
The rehab services at Tampa General Hospital provide services to our patients after their acute stage is over. Our goal is to try and get the patients back to the community, to the level that they were functioning prior to their acute illness. The group of people that work with us includes occupational therapy, physical therapy, speech-language pathologists, psychologists, and recreational therapists. We start our services in ER sometimes, definitely onto the ICUs and progressive floors. Some of our patients may get transferred to the inpatient rehab program and then to our outpatient services. We have a 59-bed inpatient rehab service program. We constantly have sessions where we meet with staff, discuss what is going on at the national level on evidence-based practice as far as rehabilitation goes, trying to provide that service to maybe a stroke patient or a spinal cord patient. We also have designation from the state of Florida as the provider of adult and pediatric brain injury and spinal cord injury rehab services to the patients. We also have a very specific accreditation called CARF accreditation, Commission on Accreditation of Rehab Services. This is a national benchmark accreditation which compares us to the national level for rehab services, and we have accreditation in 12 different programs. We always try to make it easy for our patients and our family members as to when they get back in the community that they will be able to live and function independently.